Welcome back, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Next video we have on our schedule for today is the Jamo 8-inch Sub200 subwoofer. Very underrated sub. You'll see a lot of these floating around, and for those of you on the market who are looking around for a fairly decent compact home theater subwoofer to go with your system, this is the one to get. Jamo, fairly decent Danish brand, and this is particularly interesting because in the market where you normally find the 100 to 150 watt subwoofers, this fits in very nicely with a 200 watt rated amplifier. So a lot of bass for what it, for a lot of bang for the buck, should I say. It's got a fantastic low profile, nicely built box. The veneer could be a bit more premium look to it, but otherwise decently made. It is a downward firing 8-inch subwoofer. Bottom port, it's got a bass port at the bottom, 4 feet with spikes if you so should need it. And I'll give you the rough dimensions of the unit itself. The weight of the unit is about 8.5 kilos, and like I said, it's an 8-inch firing subwoofer. It's about 23 centimeters in width. We've got about 43 centimeters depth, and with the feet, bear in mind I've got the unit on carpet. We're looking at around 33 centimeters in height. That's with the feet. Without the feet, just the box enclosure is about 30 centimeters. So it's got a nice blue LED once it's in the on position. You can see the side of it. This unit hasn't been very well looked after, but on the back, let's have a look at what we've got. You've got the normal power rated. You've got your surround. If you wanted to run it as a 2.1 system, the subwoofer will filter all of the bass through it. You've got your level knob for volume. You've got your cutoff switch for your frequency. This will go down to 36 hertz, although it's rated 40 hertz on the dial itself. And you've got your phase, which is a nice dial as opposed to either 0 or 180. You can tune it based on your room acoustics and the frequency roll off on your other speakers to see what the best bass response you can get from it. You've got your low level line-ins left and right. You've got your auto and on features, and in auto mode, when the subwoofer is not receiving a feed, it also gives you the blue light on the LED. Let's find that switch again. And in the off mode, it just switches off. And as you can see there we go, back on. So we'll do a quick bass test, have a look at it. This is a long throw subwoofer. Like I said, 8.5 kilos, 8-inch, and it is a rated down to 40 hertz. Trust me, this gives you massive bass. So I'll zoom in, have a look at the baby drive, baby jump, and feel free to leave any comments. Here we go, set up for the bass test, so hope you enjoy. And I notice at high volumes there's quite a bit of chuffing at the port. That's at the lowest frequency roll-off. I'll turn it up in full frequency. There you have it, Jamo Sub200. Beautiful driver, very well built, nice firm cone. This is not going to fray in a very short while, and it's got excellent amount of reflex on it. It's a long throw subwoofer, 8-inch, and beautiful. This is going to make your windows rock. Well worth the money if you can get your hands on it. 200 watt subwoofer for the price of chips. Thanks for watching.